In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to convert a DVD to MP4 using VLC Media Player. This is a completely free method. It works on Windows and Mac, and you don't need any extra software. If you have old DVDs that you want to back up, watch on your phone, upload to your computer, or simply preserve digitally, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. Before we jump in, make sure you have VLC Media Player installed and your DVD inserted into your computer's disk drive. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, insert your DVD into your computer. Once the disk is recognized, open VLC Media Player. When VLC opens, look at the top menu bar and click on Media. From the drop-down menu, select Convert/Save. This will open the Open Media window, where we'll choose the DVD as our source. Next, in the Open Media window, click on the Disk tab at the top. Make sure the DVD radio button is selected. Under Disk Device, confirm that the correct DVD drive is chosen. If you have more than one drive, double-check this to avoid errors. For better and smoother ripping results, check the box that says No Disk Menus. This helps VLC avoid getting stuck on DVD menus and ensures the main content is converted properly. Once everything looks correct here, click the Convert/Save button at the bottom of the window. Now you'll see the Convert window. This is where you choose the output format. Look for the Profile drop-down menu. From this list, select Video H.264 plus MP3 in MP4 format, or any similar MP4 profile available. This format is widely compatible and works well on most devices, including phones, tablets, and computers. After choosing the profile, move down to the Destination section. Click the Browse button to choose where you want the converted MP4 file to be saved. Select a folder you'll remember easily, then type a file name for your video. Make sure the file name ends with .mp4 so VLC saves it in the correct format. Once your destination and file name are set, click Save. Now you're ready to begin the conversion. Click the Start button and VLC will begin ripping and converting your DVD to MP4. You'll see a blue progress bar moving along the bottom of the VLC window. The conversion time depends on the length of the DVD and the speed of your computer, so be patient and let the process finish without closing VLC. When the progress bar reaches the end, the conversion is complete. You can now go to the folder you selected earlier and find your MP4 video ready to play. And that's it! You've successfully converted a DVD to MP4 using VLC Media Player for free. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.